Multiplication and division of numbers less than 1. How can we multiply numbers using logarithm table or divide numbers using logarithm table uh, 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 numbers less than 1, like 0 points and the rest? Now let's start with multiplication. To achieve this in multiplication, first thing, those numbers you are multiplying, find the logarithm of those numbers. Then after, for multiplication, you add the logarithm of the numbers together, then find the antilog of your final answer. I'll use an example. Example, use logarithm table to evaluate 0.003458 times 0.8461. Now solution, this is very simple. You bring down the value, look for the standard form of each number. Let's bring the first 0.003458. What will be the standard form? Convert this to standard form. This point must move forward 1, 2, 3 to the front of the first digit. How many times did you move? 3 times. This will be minus 3. That will be 3.458 times 10 raised to power minus 3. We've gotten our what? Integer for this. Now, the second one, 0.8461. Now, the point moves what? How many times? Once. This minus 1. Then what will be the standard form? 8.461 times 10 raised to power minus 1. Now we have the value for the integer for both of them. Now, after that, let's draw our table. In our table, we have number and log. This table will make you we solve things effectively for you. Now, bring down the first number, 0.003458. Now here you bring down the integer for the first number first, minus 3. This is 3 bar point. We check the logarithm table for 34 under 5, difference of 8. Difference of 8. Now that's what we look for. Let's check the logarithm table. 35 under 5. Now logarithm of 34 under 5. Let's go under 5. This is under 5. 5378. Now let's come to the board. 5378. In difference of what? 8. That's 10. 10. Now come to the board. 10. Then you add both up. That will be 8, 8, 3, 5. Now that is the fractional part. 5, 3, 8, 8. Now let's pick the second number. That's 0.8461. Now what is the integer for this? That's minus 1. That's bar 1 point. Let's check for the logarithm of 84 under 6, difference of 1. Let's check our logarithm. This is 84 under 6. The value of 84 under is 9274. In difference of what? 1. That is 1. Difference of 1 is 1. Then the value is 9274. Let's come to our board. 9274. Difference of 1 is what? Is 1. Then we add together. That's 4 plus 1, 5, 7, 2, 9. Then this is the fractional part. That's 9, 2, 7, 5. We find the logarithm. The step A says find the logarithm of the number. We've done that. Now apply addition to the logarithm number. Because it is a multiplication, you have to add the numbers together. Now this will be 8 plus 5, 13. You pick your one, you carry your one here. Then 1 plus 8, 9 plus 7, that's 16. Put your 1 here. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, that's 6. 6. Now this will be 5 plus 9, that's 14. Point, you carry 1 here. Now this will be 1 minus 3. This is plus 1. 1 minus 3, that's minus 2. Then plus times minus is minus. Let me show it to you on board. You have plus 1 minus 3 plus minus 1. Now this will be plus 1 minus 3. Plus times minus is minus 1. And that will be what? That will give us plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Then our answer here will be minus 3. Now, do it very well. That is what our value for addition. After adding up the numbers, we have 3 bar minus 3.466 The final step, find the antilog of the logarithm number. Antilog of the addition, that's 3 bar 4663. Now note something. This is what the the integer we will later use. This is what the fractional part we are using. Fractional part we'll be using to look for antilog. Now for antilog, we only use the fractional part, and that will be 46 under 6, difference of 3. Now we are going to open our logarithm table to get the value for this. This is the anti-logarithm table. 46 under 6. This is it. 29, 24. In difference of 3, 2. 29, 24. In difference of 3, 2. Now come to the board. That will be 29, 29, 24. What is the difference of 3? 2. Now add it up. 4 plus 2 is 6, 2, 9, 2. But your logarithm will always have its point in front of the first digit. Now, are we done? No. This integer must still have an effect. Now, our final answer will be what? 2.926 times 10 raised to power minus 3, this integer. Now, that will be what? 2.926 times 1 over 1000. This is 10 raised to power 3. Now, what will now be the value? The final answer will now be, this point is going to move 3 times backward. 1, 2, 3. This point stops here. You add a 0 to where it's vacant, and we have our value to be 0.002926. That is our final answer for the multiplication. Here we have our answer to be 0.002926. Now follow the step, you understand how we can multiply this using the logarithm table.